In this video, you will learn what is emotional intelligence, the impact of emotional intelligence on everyday life, simple life hack for rapid development of emotional intelligence, tips for forming a sustainable habit, and we begin. In the modern world, emotional intelligence has become one of the key factors of success, both in personal life and in the professional sphere. Many have already realized that a high IQ is not everything. The ability to understand your emotions, manage them, recognize the feelings of others, and build healthy relationships. This is what distinguishes a truly mature and successful person. Emotional intelligence is not magic, but a practical skill that can be developed through training, self-observation, reflection, and the application of simple techniques in everyday life. In this video, we will go into detail about the nature of emotional intelligence, its role in our lives, scientific evidence and proven practices, as well as give specific step-by-step exercises and tips. Watch this video to the end. The final part contains the key technique for putting all the material into practice. It is there that we will structure a daily practice that will allow you to build emotional intelligence development into your life. What is emotional intelligence? The term emotional intelligence was first coined by psychologists Peter Salovey and John Mayer in 1990. Their definition included the ability to monitor one's own and others' emotions, distinguish between them, and use this information to guide thinking and behavior. Daniel Goleman later popularized the term in 1995 in his book of the same name, where he offered a more applied approach to emotional intelligence and its impact on success. According to Goleman, emotional intelligence includes 5 key components. 1. Self-awareness. Awareness of one's emotions, understanding their influence on thoughts and actions, and self-confidence. 2. Self-regulation, impulse control, emotion management, ability to adapt and maintain integrity. 3. Motivation, the drive to achieve goals, perseverance, and a tendency toward optimism. 4. Empathy, the ability to understand the feelings of others and incorporate them into one's behavior. 5. Social skills, the ability to build and maintain relationships, influence, inspire, and manage conflict. These components are closely related and mutually reinforcing. For example, developed self-awareness helps improve self-regulation, and motivation is supported by empathy and social interaction skills. Information note: according to Harvard University research, 70% of decisions related to business success are not based on logic, but on emotional intelligence and interpersonal interaction. This once again emphasizes the importance of emotional intelligence, why it matters, the impact of emotional intelligence on everyday life. Emotional intelligence determines the quality of our everyday interactions, whether it's a conversation with a partner, a business meeting, or an internal dialogue with yourself. Here are specific areas where a high level of emotional intelligence provides an advantage. Work and career. People with high emotional intelligence are more likely to become leaders, are better accepted in teams, and more easily cope with professional challenges. Health. Emotional intelligence helps reduce stress and anxiety levels, and promotes better sleep and physical well-being. Relationships. Empathy and the ability to listen to a partner leads to more harmonious and lasting relationships. Self-development. Emotional intelligence stimulates self-reflection, which makes a person capable of continuous personal growth. Studies have shown that 90% of top performers in large companies have high levels of emotional intelligence, and only 20% of these top performers have high IQs, which emphasizes that cognitive intelligence is important, but emotional intelligence is critical. Historical examples of the development of emotional intelligence: Mahatma Gandhi, one of the greatest examples of controlled emotions. In the midst of violence and oppression, he preached nonviolence, ahimsa, and was able to influence millions of people with his steadfast and calm stance. Abraham Lincoln. Despite tremendous pressure, critical moments in the Civil War and personal tragedies. He maintained a calm, strategic mindset and empathy for his people that allowed him to keep the United States united. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison and kept his composure. After his release, he did not seek revenge but preached unity. His power of forgiveness and ability to understand the feelings of his former oppressors made him a symbol of emotional maturity. Frederick Douglass, a fighter for black rights in the 19th century, also demonstrated outstanding empathy, self-regulation, and motivation despite the slavery and brutality of the world around him. How emotional intelligence works. A scientific perspective. From a neurobiological perspective, emotional intelligence is the result of the interaction between the limbic system, emotions, and the prefrontal cortex, rational thinking. The amygdala, part of the limbic system, is responsible for the primary emotional response: fear, anger, excitement. In critical situations, it is activated instantly before the mind intervenes. It is here that the impulse to action appears. The prefrontal cortex is the center of awareness, decision-making, and anticipation of consequences. When emotional intelligence is developed, a person is able to slow down the automatic reaction of the amygdala and turn on rational thinking. Neuroplasticity. The good news is that the brain can be trained. Mindfulness practices, breathing exercises, and self-reflection strengthen the connections between the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex, increasing control over emotions. Simple life hacks for rapid development of emotional intelligence. 1. Emotion diary. Every night write down what emotions you felt, in what situations, and how you reacted. 2. Pause for 3 seconds. When you feel irritated or agitated, pause, count to 3, and only then act. This improves self-regulation. 3. Empathic paraphrasing. When the other person shares an emotion, reflect it with the words, "I hear that you are upset because." This increases empathy and improves communication. 4. The freeze frame technique. In the moment of strong emotion, stop and ask yourself 3 questions. What am I feeling? Why am I feeling this? What can I do? Helps you quickly regain control of yourself. 5. Attention meditation. Focus on your breathing for 5 to 10 minutes a day. This develops the ability to concentrate and reduces impulsivity. Practical tasks and exercises. Task 1. Emotional journal. 1 week. Divide your day into 4 segments, and after each segment write down, what do I feel? What caused this feeling? How did I react to it? What could I change in my reaction? Task 2. Emotional map of the body. Drawing of the body. You can print out the diagram. When you experience an emotion, note where in the body you feel it. This helps you to better understand psychophysical reaction. Task 3. I statements. In a conflict, express feelings without blaming. I feel irritated when, instead of, you drive me crazy. This reduces tension and improves understanding. Task 4. Describing other people's emotions. 2 days. Choose 3 people, in your family or at work, and try to guess their emotional state daily, based on nonverbal communication. Afterwards, check to see if you understood correctly. Trains empathy. Task 5. Anticipating reactions. Before an important meeting, imagine 3 possible scenarios of your interlocutor's reactions and plan your responses. This builds emotional preparedness and flexibility. Tips for forming a sustainable habit. 1. Small steps. 5 minutes a day is better than an hour once a week. Consistency is more important than volume. 2. Morning rituals. Start your day with 1 minute of silence and 1 question. What do I want to feel today? 3. Daily debriefing. In the evening, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I feel? Why? What did I learn about myself? 4. Visual reminders, stickers or wallpaper on your phone with questions like, how are you feeling right now? 5. Mentor or practice partner. Sharing experiences with another person increases accountability and inspiration. How to apply this guide correctly. Congratulations, you've reached the most important section. Here's a step-by-step system for implementing emotional intelligence into your everyday life. 1. Choose one of the 5 components, for example, empathy, and study it for 7 days. 2. Complete one task related to this component every day. 3. At the end of the week, take stock. What situations were the most difficult? Where did you feel growth? 4. In the second week, add a second component, for example, self-regulation, and repeat the algorithm. 5. After 5 weeks, you will have a complete practical understanding of each component of emotional intelligence and the skill to apply them. Emotional intelligence is not a destination, but a journey. Starting with one step, you gradually build a system of maturity, understanding, and inner strength. Start today, right now. Ask yourself, how am I feeling? And listen to the honest answer. Now you know how to make your life more intense and brighter. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss new videos, because our channel will allow you to manage your life like God